This is the homework video for Monday, 2/27/17. You're working in the Unit 6 homework packet. You're doing page 1 and page 2, number 1 and number 2. Do not copy, because the more you make yourself do this on your own, the more successful you'll get when we're doing tests. Here we go. The first one is looking at the scatter plot of world record times for men's 100-meter race, and you should always read the title and look at what the axes are showing you first. So world records for 100-meter race since 1977, so we don't know what happened before then. And the x-axis shows the years, and the y-axis is showing us the times. And it says that Maurice Greene from the United States was the first person to beat the 9.8 second mark, and the 9.8 second mark is right here. And for competing the 100-meter race, and what year did he accomplish that? So since this is the very first dot that's above 9.8 seconds, then this must represent Maurice Greene, since he was the first one to do it. And if I go straight down and I look at the year, it looks like it's 1982. The next question shows us a new scatter plot. This is mountain height and year of first ascent. And the x-axis shows us the year of the first ascent, like 1930, 1940, and so on. And the y-axis shows us how high in meters the different mountains are. And if you read this, which is really important that you do, it's telling you that these are data for some of the tallest mountains on Earth, and that Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in this set of data. So if you look at the heights here, the one that goes the highest is Mount Everest. So we know that this point represents Mount Everest. So it says estimate the height of Mount Everest. And so it's between the 8,800, I wrote 8,000, but it's actually 8,800, I will fix that, and 9,000, but it's not halfway between, so it's not yet to 8,000, between 8,800 and 9,000 is 8,900, but it's not quite to 8,900 because it's not halfway. And so I guessed that it was about 8,850 meters. I'm going to fix before I answer the second question. This should say 8,800. And notice that, so there's 200 between here, but this isn't even a half, and so that's why I thought 8850 or so, maybe 8875, but something around there. Then it says estimate the year of the first recorded ascent. Ascent just means going up someone who accomplished going all the way up the mountain. Ascent means to go up. And if you go straight down this point and you look at about where you end up here on the y-axis, it's between 1950 and 1960, but it's not halfway between. So I thought it was about 1952, because 1955 is halfway, but it's not to halfway yet. That is it for the homework video tonight. Have a great night.